It is 10:30 at night. Are you getting sleepy? Are you getting tired?
I'm normally go to bed at 12 to 1 a.m. So it's normal time. So I'm night owl. This time is my very excited time for me, I think. Normally I will review my agenda for tomorrow's work, or I need to prepare something, or I'm even sit at here listening English, listening your live streams.
What is above your head? Is that a red water pipe above you?
Oh, yes, there's a
That
water pipe. Yes, this is my dormitory. This is my company dormitory. What spray? I think something like that. There is a warning. If you feel the smoke, they will automatically spray the water.
this is called the sprinkler system. Nice.
Thank you. How are you? How is your weekend? How is your Saturday?
Fantastic. Today is Sunday.
Oh, yeah, this is Sunday morning. It's your Sunday morning, right?
It's my Sunday morning, and I have a few items to check off the list today.
Oh, that's amazing. Have you finished the breakfast?
I did not eat anything just yet. Usually, I go with the flow.
So I think the breakfast is very important. Actually, the three meals is very important. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
I don't follow a schedule like you. I go with the flow. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?